Namaste. I am Saurabh Jadhav. I am co-founder of Industrial Farmtech Private Limited. We are a company situated in Pune, and we have come up with our brand Garva. So Garva is a very famous brand in sugarcane juice machinery, and it has been in market since last 5 years. With its incredible performance, it has developed its own fan base, and we have also empowered many new entrepreneurs to start their own business. Till now, Garva has enabled more than 600 farmers to start their own venture. There are also new entrepreneurs who are entering into this business. Sugarcane juice business is very healthy. We all know that, but yet it was not that accessible to normal people. So we come up with this small and modular machine which can be handled by any woman or any unskilled worker also. It is very safe, and it can crush sugarcane in one pass. So there is no need to touch the sugarcane multiple times and fold it twice, thrice or multiple times. So within one pass, the entire sugarcane juice will be extracted from the sugarcane. And it is very good for farmers, as we all know the market price of sugarcane is like 2000 or maximum 3000 rupees per ton, but for 1000 kgs. But with this, you can sell your 1000 kg sugarcane for almost 40 to 50,000. So this is an incredible margin, and anyone can start this business. The machine starts from 65,000 and it goes up to 3,50,000. Our best selling model is Supra Pro, which is 5 roller machine, 2 HP, and it costs around 1,70,000, and it has shown incredible performance all over India. In Maharashtra alone, we have 100 installations, and considering the total feedback we received, it is a very welcomed machine in the market. Now we'll go to machine demo section. We have just launched Supra Pro model, which has 5 rollers, and it is 3 HP machine. It is most advanced machine in India and most powerful machine. It has capacity to extract 1,200 glasses per hour. It is very strong machine, and you can see the demo in just a minute. So now we'll see the demo of the machine which we saw earlier. So this is the machine Supra Pro. So it has 5 roller and 3 HP power. As you can see, it is one-time crushing machine. Operator is putting sugarcane inside the machine, and the fresh sugarcane juice is extracted from the outlet. Is very easy machine, and even ladies or any unskilled worker can handle the machine. As you can see, there are no flies or any other dirt near the machine because it is all very dry. So we'll see this. And as you can see, the juice has a great quality because it is extracted in a single pass. So you can see the sugarcane waste is totally dry. So it is complete dry waste. Hence we call this machine the best machine in India. It has the highest amount of power and crushing capacity, and with only single pass it can crush the entire sugarcane juice. So with this machine, what we are trying to do is that we are reducing the customer serving time. So in conventional machine, the customer has to redo the same activity 4 to 5 times. With our machine, with single pass crushing, only the customer time is reduced to 1/5. So only it requires 10 to 15 seconds to deliver one customer, and machine can handle any amount of customers. So you can see that this Kisan exhibition is very big, and still it is serving the purpose.
खूप चांगला ऊसाचा रस आहे. खरं तर अगदी हायजेनिक पद्धतीने बनवलेला दिसतोय. खूप ऊसाचं हँडलिंग नाही आहे, म्हणजे त्यामुळं शुद्ध आणि हवा तसा हा अगदी नैसर्गिक पद्धतीने बनवलेला आपल्याला प्यायला खूप मजा वाटते. थँक्यू. गारवा बहुत अच्छा है.
As I have already discussed about the machine, I'll quickly let you know about our pan-India accessibility. So we are available across India, and also we are into exports. Secondly, our service is available. There are 2-3 types of services. We are available on phone calls, video consultation, and in-person service also. The price range starts from 65,000, goes up to 3,50,000 to 4 lakh. Depending on the model, the customization, and whatever chiller required, which chiller required, dustbin model, etc. So you are watching this video on the wonderful channel Discover Agriculture. Please subscribe to the channel. All the contact details regarding Garwa machines and industrial farm techs are mentioned in the description. Please check. Thank you so much.